welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to do direct composting. Method 1. Direct trench composting. Green or dry leaves. Green has more nutrient. Garden and kitchen green waste. Semi-soaked brown cardboard paper. Dig a trench about 7 to 10 cm wide and 12 to 15 cm deep along the length of your garden bed. Add in the leaves, garden and kitchen green waste, semi-soaked brown paper, and a little bit of water. Backfill with soil and pack it down slightly. Direct trench composting enrich the soil on the spot, creating a slow-release rich nutrient for your full growing season. About 6 weeks later, I planted tomato plants on top of the trench composting site. Method 2. Direct spot composting and plant seedlings right away. Dig a hole about 7 to 10 cm wide and 12 to 15 cm deep. Pour in the garden and kitchen green waste. Backfill with soil and pack it down. Plant the seedling right away on top. For this method, make sure there is about 3 inches of soil between the plant roots and the buried green waste. You don't want the young plant root to start touching the green waste, otherwise the root will rot and the plant may die. This will ensure the green waste has time to decompose to a certain level before the root reach them. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more upcoming gardening videos.